exit in this world of fear. I can see the path that leads away.
My name is Kamelah Adams. I'm the owner of Mimi's Fresh Teas, and I use Ishq Skin product. I like using Noor face scrub or body scrub. It's because it's organic and it just feels so good on my skin. And after I rinse it off, my skin is really soft and vibrant. It feels really good and it's really gentle, the poppy seeds that are in here. And you don't have to use very much. That's what I like about it. A little goes a long way. And it's really good for my forehead. My entire face with my forehead is where I have a little bit of issues. But I could scrub the stuff on my face and my whole body all day. Yeah, I really don't have to wear makeup that often. A lot of my blemishes and stuff have gone away, and it's like my face has a natural highlight to it. Yeah. But it feels really good. I just washed my face and my face feels so smooth, and I just love the way my skin feels. This is such a good product.
One step forward and two back again. I wish the wind would carry a change.